Hello guys, in today's video we will see about one of the beautiful flower plant in my garden, that is Pentas plant, and its care. It can be grown easily in pots and containers. Pentas plant is a perennial shrubby plant flowering around the year. It is attractive because of its star-shaped bright flowers. Due to its 5 petals, it is called Pentas. It is also familiar as Egyptian star flower. The plantas have hairy green leaves and clusters of flowers. It comes in a variety of colors. Common colors are purple, pink, red and white. The flowers stay 7 to 10 days on plants without shedding. Let us look the caring and flowering tips of Pentas plant. Pentas grow well and flowers in all seasons. It blooms well in spring season. It requires moderate high temperature of 25 to 35 degree to grow. Sunlight is the foremost thing. Pentas need 5 to 6 hours of sunlight for more flowers. So place it under direct sunlight. It will not grow well if you do not keep them under sunlight and they have lower flowering. During April to June, it is better to keep it under light shade in afternoon. During rainy season, keep the pot under any shade. Continuous rainfall may affect the plant. Pentas require high humidity level. If you are maintaining the humidity level, then the temperature will not harm the plant much. About the potting mix. Pentas require well-drained soil for good development. I used high quality potting mix. I put 50% of garden soil, 40% of compost and 10% of coco peat, in which it can grow well. This plant preferred for light acidic soil, so you can increase the acidity of the soil by adding organic manure or dry leaves. Regular watering is very important as this plant is exposed to direct sunlight. Adequate watering is very important, otherwise its leaf and flowers starts fade. When the top soil is dry, then it is time to put some water to the plant. As it requires humidity level, spraying water on the plant can get best results. Overwatering and underwatering kills the plant, so it needs medium watering. About fertilizer, Pentas do not tolerate too much extra fertilizer. During growing season, you can use any organic fertilizer like cow dung manure, vermicompost or leaf compost once in 20 days. Before applying the fertilizer, first you have to loosen the soil well for the root to get proper aeration and oxygen supply. Water the plant thoroughly. Use any organic liquid fertilizer like banana peel fertilizer or used tea fertilizer once in 15 days and it will become beautiful. Pests are common in Pentas plants. So spraying of soap solution with neem oil once in 15 days on this plant will help to get rid of these pests. Another problem is leaf browning. This occurs because of fungal or bacterial infection. First, remove all the infected leaves and apply pesticides. Pentas can grow up to 3 to 4 feet in pot, so if it grows higher, do pruning. Pruning develops more branches, thus increase the flowering capacity. To propagate new plants, small cuttings of the plant is enough. It can be propagated both in soil and water. Friends, you have seen this beautiful star-shaped clustered flower. try this plant in your home. Thanks for watching. Happy flower gardening.